Okay, hello. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rajarino Simamora with NPM number 233160336. I am from TK23A class. So here I will explain the material, namely processor function and structure. Processor function and structure. Introduction. The processor is the brain of a computer responsible for executing interesting and performing calculation in conjunction of the control unit and the arithmetic logic unit. The processor structure includes the register, ALU, and control bus. Control unit. The control unit directs the flow of data and introduction with the processor. It interprets and executes instructions from memory. Coordinating the activities of the other units, it uses microcoder to control the processor operation. Arithmetic logic unit, ALU. The ALU perform arithmetic and logic operation on data. It can perform tasks so as addition, subtraction, and or and not operation. The ALU is a fundamental component of the processor structure, enabling it to process data and make decisions. Registers. Registers are small, high-speed storage locations with the processor they hold data, address, and control information. Temporarily during processing, common types of register include accumulator, program, counter, and instruction register. The control bus is a group of electrical lines used to send control signal between the processor and other components. It carries signal such as memory write, and interrupts request. The control bus coordination the activities of the processor. The processor follow a series of steps to execute instructions, including fetch, decode, execute, and store. During the fetch stage, in the instruction is retrieved from memory. In the decode stage, the instruction is decoded to determine the operation to be performed. Pipelining. Pipelining is a technique used in processor to improve performance by allowing multiple instructions to be processed simultaneously. It involves breaking down the instruction execution processor in states and overlapping the execution of different instructions. Supercalar architecture. Supercalar processor can execute multiple instructions in parallel of offering increased performance. The feature multi-execution unit, allowing them to process multi-instruction simulation. This architecture and change the processor efficiency and speed. The processor intersects with different levels of memory, including register, chains, RAM, and secondary storage. The memory heart is designed to provide wide access to frequently used data and optimize overall system performance. Parallel processing. Parallel processing involves the simultaneous execution of multiple tasks or instructions. It can be achieved through multiprocessing or multi-reading. Parallel processing and change performance by introducing the capabilities of multiple processor cores or threads. Instructions in instruction set are standard ESR. The ESR defines the introduction and operation that a processor can execute. It includes the instruction set register, memory readiness model, and I/O processing. The ESA server and a break between software and hardware, enabling software to communicate with the processor. Performance optimization. Processor can be optimized for performance through techniques such as set optimization, bridge predication, and out-of-order execution. These techniques aim to reduce latch, improve throughput, and enhance overall processor efficiency. efficiency. Power management. Power management techniques are used to optimize the energy efficiency of processor. These techniques include dynamic voltage and frequency scaling, sleep modes, and idle states. They aim to reduce power consumption while maintaining performance. Security features. Modern processors incorporate security features such as secure boot, hardware-based encryption, and memory protection. The feature help protect the processor and the system from security threats, ensuring the integrity and confidentiality of data. Future trends. The future of processor is driven by trends such as quantum computing, computing, and advanced material. These trends aim to push the boundaries of computing performance, efficiency, and capabilities. Conclusion. The processor function and structure are essential for the operation of computer system. Understanding the component operation and optimization technologies is crucial for advancing computing capabilities. The future holds exciting possibilities for processor technology. Okay, thank you and see you.